Today's lesson is Lesson 45, Part 1, Multiplying by 1 and by 10, and Identifying Factors and Products. So here I have this problem. I have 1 plus 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 1. Well, there's 8 ones here being added together. And 1 8 times equals 8. Okay? We can also write this in a simpler way, in a faster way, by writing 8 times 1 equals 8. The times symbol between the 8 and the 1 is a symbol that stands for groups of. So this is really saying we have 8 groups of 1 is equal to 8. Okay? Some people say times, but in this we'll say groups of. Okay? So here I have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 5. And there are 5 ones being added. So if I wanted to write this as a multiplication problem, I would write 5 times 1 equals 5. Or 5 groups of 1 equals 5. Okay, this way is a lot shorter. 5 groups of 1 equals 5. In multiplication, we call the numbers that we multiply factors. And we call the answer the product. Okay. So what's happening in this problem? We have all these ones added together equals 9. So the multiplication we would write for this would be 9 groups of 1 equals 9. Okay. All right, well, what about this one? We have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. We have 6 tens being added. Well, 6 tens added up equals 60. The multiplication problem is a faster way to write an addition problem when the same number is being added together. So let's write this as a multiplication. So how many groups of 10 do we have? We have 6 groups of 10. So we do 6 groups of, with a time symbol, 10 equals 60. The factors of this problem are 6 and 10, and my product is 60. Hey, now we have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 70. So to write this as a multiplication problem, we would say 7 groups of 10 equals 70. Okay. So we're going to write down our multiplying by 1 and multiplying by 10 facts. Okay. So 0 groups of 1 equals 0. 1 group of 1 equals 1. 2 groups of 1 equals 2. 3 groups of 1 equals 3. 4 groups of 1 equals 4. 5 groups of 1 equals 5. 6 groups of 1 equals 6. 7 groups of 1 equals 7. 8 groups of 1 equals 8. 9 groups of 1 equals 9. 10 groups of 1 equals 10. 11 groups of 1 equals 11. And 12 groups of 1 equals 12. All right. Okay, so let's do the same thing for the tens place. 0 groups of 10 is 0. 1 group of 10 is 10. 2 groups of 10 is 20. 3 groups of 10 is 30. 4 groups of 10 is 40. 5 groups of 10 is 50. 6 groups of 10 is 60. 7 groups of 10 is 70. 8 groups of 10 is 80. 9 groups of 10 is 90. 10 groups of 10 is 100. 11 groups of 10 is 110. And 12 groups of 10 is 120. Okay, do you notice something about all the answers by multiplying by tens? If you look, the ones digit is the same as the number we're multiplying the 10 by. And the ones digit is always a 0. Anytime we multiply a number by 10, the answer will always end in a 0. Okay, so if I have 35 times 1, my answer would be 35 because any number times 1 equals the same number. 27 times 1 equals 27. 198 times 1 equals 198. Okay, what about multiplying by 10? Well, we know that the ones digit is always the 0, and the other digits are what we're multiplying by. So 35 times 10 would be 350 because we put the two numbers that the numbers we multiply, and then it ends in the ones place is always 0. So 27 times 10 would be 270, and 50 times 10 would be 500. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.